Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying some new products from Beauty Blender. So if you guys are curious to see what they are, how they apply, and what I think, then just keep watching. So Beauty Blender was kind enough to send over their Glow All Night Flawless Face Kit, which includes their new Redo Set and Refresh Spray, their little mini blender, and then their Power Pockets Puff, dual-sided puff, along with some samples of their Bounce Foundation. So how about I unbox everything and we'll jump right in. And don't mind the hair, just hopped out of the shower, baby's asleep, big kids are asleep. I have maybe 20 minutes tops to get myself ready. Okay, so my Beauty Blender has been dampened, so let's check these out. The Redo Spray says, close eyes before misting, shake well before use. Doesn't really say what it's for. I mean, it says it's a set and refresh spray. So we'll try this to set the makeup, then we'll try it during the day to see kind of what it does. So the two shades that I have in front of me are Blend 1.10 and Blend 1.40. And I feel like I'm somewhere in between, so I'm going to mix the two together. So let's try it. And obviously I have this huge breakout right here. Okay, so before I finish the rest of my face, this is the coverage that I'm getting with the foundation. This is before, this is after. It's looking like maybe medium coverage, not super full coverage, but it looks like it has like a nice kind of dewy finish. So let me finish off the rest of my face. Okay, so the foundation is on. Let's take a closer look. It looks like it filled in my pores a little bit right here, which is nice. It's giving me maybe medium coverage. It is buildable. You can kind of see it built on my chin to cover that giant acne spot I had. It's not really sticking to the corners of my nose for some reason, but that's why I put concealer anyway. So let me go ahead and finish up my makeup, but I will show you what it looks like right now before anything else is added. So I'm going to hop off, add some concealer, some face products. We'll be back to try the puff and the setting spray. Okay, I have to say that this foundation doesn't really need to be set with a powder. My face feels completely dry. So the only areas that I ended up setting were my under eyes and just around my nose and my chin, just kind of like the T-zone area. This doesn't feel like it needs to be set, and I have combination skin. I get dry kind of here, and then kind of oily around the center. So I didn't have to set it. So we'll see how that lasts, but I kind of want to see what this refresh spray does. We'll see if it adds some glow back to the skin. I haven't added any color to my face yet. Okay, it's a double lid situation. Marilyn Norman does the same thing. Let's see what the mister's like. Okay, it looks nice and fine. No scent that I can detect, so let's try it. Right off the bat, I'm seeing white water droplets on my face. I'm not sure if you can see it. Right here and right here. Right there's one. I shook it well. So it did give me a hint of glow on this side. This is the side I did not spray, so completely matte pretty much. And then on this side it has just a little bit of glow. So it is adding the glow, but it's leaving like white residue similar to the Matte Fix Plus spray from MAC. Let's try again. Okay, that's better. Perhaps it was just like the first spray fluke. All right, so it does give you a nice kind of dewy, fresh skin glow. So I do like that. So let me finish off the rest of the face with this. Okay, so once I use the Redo spray, it definitely does add the dew back to your skin. So we'll see how well this lasts during the day. So I'm going to hop off for a bit, finish my face, and I'll be back in a couple hours. It is about 8 in the morning right now. I will try to do a check-in around the 5 or 6 hour mark to let you know how it is wearing. So see you later. Hey guys, so it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so the foundation's been on for 6 hours, and I have to say I am not a fan of this foundation. First of all, sorry, my cat's on my lap, so there's kind of hair floofing everywhere, but I'm just not a big fan because it's already caking up on the sides of my nose. It's kind of separating and gotten patchy all along the nose, on the cheek area. Cat, see, I'm not lying. Right, Dewey? You want to say hi? Okay, so as I was saying, I'm just not a big fan of this foundation for multiple different reasons. It's already completely broken apart on my cheeks, totally separated on the sides of my nose, pretty much disappeared and kind of like patched off on my nose. It just doesn't look good on my chin. It just looks all separated. It disappeared in my smile lines. I don't know. It's just not wearing well under my eyes. It looks like it's completely gone and kind of, I don't know. It's just not sitting well on my face. So I will try it again with a different moisturizer. But my first impression of this Bounce foundation is that I'm not a fan. The Beauty Blender itself, the little pocket puff, and the Dew spray seem to be nice. Let me see what happens when I put it on my face now. So as you can see, it's like a two-part formula. You have to shake it up to mix the two parts together and then spray. And then spray. So shake first and then spray. Let's see if it refreshes my face at all. And I don't particularly like this mist either. Most of the product goes up and out with a fine mist in between. So when I'm spraying it on my face, I'm getting the most here and here, similar to the Milani spray where it was like psh. So, I mean, it does a good job of adding some like dew back to the face, but I don't know if this is what separated the formula. I don't know if it's my skin type, but it's just not sitting well on my cheeks, my nose, my chin. My forehead looks a lot better than it did before, but I'm still not blown away. Like, this whole section just looks horrible. Just really, really bad. So I'm going to say that this one is a pass for me. If anything changes after I use it another time or two, I'll let you know. But I'm going to say that the Bounce formula is a pass. This I'm on the fence about, but of course, I always enjoy the Beauty Blender, and the Pocket Puff is really nice for touch-ups. So if you guys found this first impressions helpful of the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.